In this video, I will show you step by step how I made $14,321 in one single month just by promoting affiliate links on Instagram. I will share with you guys which affiliate links I'm promoting on Instagram. I will share with you new methods that you should start using if you want to earn some commission on affiliate marketing as a beginner, and so much more. Okay, so make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't miss this information that I will share for free, and let's get started. And for people who are new to my YouTube channel, I will show you guys step by step how you can create an affiliate account like this one, and how you can use free traffic to promote your affiliate links on Instagram to earn commission. Okay, so let's get started. So I made this commission in the month of April, last month. Okay, from the first day of April until the last day of April, 30 April. Okay, so anyway, for people who are interested to start affiliate marketing business, what you need to do first, you need to go to Google, okay, and search for this website. Search for Fiverr. Click on the first link. Sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. It's super easy, okay? You just need to use your email address, and that's it. After you finish, just come to this page and scroll down like this. Go to community and click over here on affiliate. Okay, you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you can check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. They are really paying a good commission, and this is the best and profitable affiliate marketing business that you can start ever. Okay, from my experience, it's really profitable, and you can check this website and you will get more ideas about this. Okay, so you just need to click over here on join now. You will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. So just put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no, and choose your country, okay, over here, and choose your language. Okay, it's super easy. Then if you have Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next, and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. So this will be your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard. Okay, you have here Fiverr affiliate, you have dashboard, you have marketing tools, reports, payments, post back, sub affiliate, commission plan, affiliate store, and that's it. Okay, it's really super easy. So what you need to do next is you need to choose a good and a profitable services that you will promote on Instagram to earn commission. And I will share with you guys one of my profitable affiliate link that I'm promoting on Instagram, and I will share with you how you can find people who will be interested to buy this service from your affiliate link so you can earn commission. Okay, so here's what you need to do first. So after you finish your sign up process to Fiverr affiliate, go back to your home page on Fiverr. Okay, like this. Click over here on the search and search for this service. Search for food post design. Okay, search for this service, food post design. Okay, and here you go. You will find a lot of sellers here who are providing this service on Fiverr. What you need to do next is you need to choose good sellers who have a lot of reviews. And so if people click on your affiliate link, they find those sellers, they are good sellers, they have a good service. They will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, so let's choose, for example, think like this one. This one is really looking good. Okay, so he has a lot of reviews. This seller is providing the service from 20 bucks, as you can see. I will click on his service like this. You will be directly in his Fiverr profile page like this. Okay, as you can see. So what you need to do next is you need to copy this seller profile link. Okay, copy this seller profile link like this. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Let me show you. Click over here. just click over here and you have Fiverr Affiliate, you have dashboard, you have marketing tools, you have reports, you have payments. Click on marketing tools. Click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page. Click on deep link and put this seller profile link here. Click on save. Here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. It's really super easy. So this is your affiliate link. So what you need to do next is you need to promote this affiliate link on Instagram. Okay? So what you will do, you will go to Instagram, just open your Instagram homepage like this. Guys, it's super easy. Open your Instagram homepage like this. Okay? Click on the search. Okay? Click on the search. Search for hashtag restaurant. Okay? Like this. Search for this hashtag. Hashtag restaurant. Like this. Click on this hashtag and here you go. You will be directly in this page over here on Instagram, and you will find here a lot of Instagram page about a restaurant, okay, that have a restaurant and they have Instagram page to promote their foods and their what they are selling. Okay, so what you will do, you will be directly in this page. You will choose one of those page. Let me see if we can find some page here like this one. Let's check this one. Let me see. Okay, this one is not a restaurant page. Let me see this one. Oh, this one is really good. Let me check. Just click on the name of this page like this, and here you go. So this page is an Instagram restaurant page. Okay, and as you can see, they are not designing those posts. Okay, they are just posting pictures, taking pictures and posting pictures directly. Okay, so this page, this Instagram restaurant page, will be interested to get this service, to design this Instagram post foods. Okay, like this. Okay, to make them more engaging and professional. Okay, let me show you like this. Okay, this page can be interested to design those Instagram posts. Okay, so what you will do, let's go to Instagram. So what you will do, you will click over here on message. Okay, and you will send a professional and friendly message to this Instagram restaurant page. Okay, with your affiliate link. How you can create a professional and friendly message. So here is what you need to do. Go to Google and search for chat GPT. Okay, let me show you. It's really super easy. Go to Google, search for chat GPT like this. Click on the first link. You sign up by using your email address, and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one. It's really super easy, and this is an AI website. This AI website will help you create an amazing and friendly professional message that you can send to those Instagram page, okay, who has a restaurant. So here is what I do, what I did, okay. I just opened my ChatGPT account. I asked him, hey AI, I need a friendly message to promote a Fiverr service for creating stunning food designs on Instagram. Okay, I want to convince restaurant owners to check it out and spice up their feeds. Okay, can you help me? And here you go. ChatGPT created this a friendly and amazing message that I can send to those restaurant owners. Okay, who has Instagram page. So what you will do, I will copy just this message. Okay, like this. I will go to this page to this Instagram restaurant page. I will click over here on message. I will put this message here. Okay, I will delete this part, of course, to make it's like a human message like this. It's really amazing. And here you go, you have here, check out our Fiverr service today and let's spice up your social media game. Okay, so I will delete this hashtags. Okay, I don't want this, and I will put my affiliate link here. So I will go back to my Fiverr affiliate account, and I will copy my affiliate link from here. So for you guys, if you can't see this option, Fiverr CPA old plan, because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate account. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years now, and so this affiliate account is old account. But for you, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. It's almost the same. Just copy your affiliate link from here like this. And as you can see, guys, this affiliate link is too much long. I like to make it short, so it doesn't matter. You can use it like this. So, but for me, I really like to make it short. Okay, you can go to Google and you can search for this website if you want to use it as short link. You just need to put your affiliate link here, and here you can go to Instagram and you can put your affiliate link here, paste, and here you go. Okay, and I will click over here on send, and my message with my affiliate link will be sent to this person, as you can see, like this. Okay, it's a friendly professional message with this seller who is good seller. He has a lot of reviews. Okay, providing this seller can design those posts for this restaurant Instagram page. And as you can see, this person is not designing his Instagram posts. Okay, they are just posting those pictures, those foods pictures like this. Okay, so that's it. This is the method that I'm using, guys, and you can find a lot of restaurants Instagram page here that will be interested to buy those services, because those people have money, and if you give those people a good service, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will get commission. Okay, because those people are interested to grow their restaurant's Instagram page. Okay, so for example, if this person is interested, he can send me a message back, or he can click, if he click on this affiliate link, for example, like this. Let's check, let me show you. He will be directly in this seller profile page. Click on continue, buy this service from your affiliate link, and you will earn commission, and that's it. Okay, I show you how you can find people who will be interested to buy those services from your affiliate link. I show you how you can create your affiliate account, how you can create your affiliate link, how you can use free traffic from Instagram. The business model is clear and it's working. So if you can't get commission, the problem is you. Okay, and that's it, guys. This is the method that I'm using, and that's it. Let's see, let me show you. If you go back to this hashtag restaurant, you can find a lot of Instagram restaurant page. Okay, let me show you. Here you go. You can find a lot of Instagram restaurants page here. Let me see this one. Okay, this one, it's the same one. If we click here, let me see this one. Here is another Instagram restaurant page. Okay, you see this? You can check this page, you can talk with this page. Okay, if you scroll down, let's check this one. Here is another one. Okay, Instagram restaurant page, and so on. Okay, and if you click over here and just put hashtag restaurant, okay, here you go. You will find unlimited hashtags that you can check, and you can get unlimited customers. Okay, those people who are using this hashtag has a restaurant Instagram page, and you can find a lot of people here who will be interested to buy those services from your affiliate link. And that's it, guys. So I'm not just using, so I want also to make this clear, guys. I'm not this commission didn't come only from Instagram. Okay, it's not from only Instagram, but I got a lot of commission from Instagram. Okay, because I'm using other social media platforms like Facebook groups, like YouTube, Twitter, Quora, and so much more. Okay, and I already shared all those methods in my YouTube channel. You can go and check it out if you are interested to make money with affiliate marketing. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video. And for my people who are asking for my course, guys, be really you need to be ready, okay? Because the course will be done after just like 4 or 5 days, okay? In the next 4 or 5 days, the course will be ready about affiliate marketing. Will be a really a good and valuable course about affiliate marketing that will cover everything, okay, from scratch, like it's from hero to pro, okay? So guys, stay tuned, subscribe to this channel. Also start with those methods that I'm sharing with you. They are working. I'm getting a lot of message from people who already made commission with those methods. I'm really happy to hear this. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next videos.